लेट्स स्टार्ट। सबसे पहले आपने ड्रॉप प्लेन सेलेक्ट किया, उसके बाद स्मार्ट डायमेंशन 96 in millimeter and this is 64. Now smart dimensions, the distance between this and this is 16, also 16, three-point arc, this and this. But first of all you have to make this 20. Then 3 points are this, this and this. Now trim this and this. Now extrude it. Extrude it 16. Now go to the right plane, Control 8, sketch, draw a line, complete it, smart dimensions 64, you have to make a line segment, no, now 3-point arc from this to this, now trim, trim, extrude up to 16. Okay, now again top plane, Control 8, sketch, sketch the box, complete box, smart dimensions, this must be equals to 8 plus 24 plus 8, and this must be equals to 64 minus 22. 64 minus 22. Same. I think trim entity. Draw the complete line. Now extrude it. up to 28 plus this is 28 and this is plus 16 because line is from this plane. That's 28 plus 16. 28 plus 16. Okay. Now go to the front plane. Control 8. For the line segment. Smart dimensions. Cancel it. Smart dimension. This must be 8. This must also be 8. This will automatically be 24. It's already 24. Okay. Now 3-point arc from this to this point in this way. Now extruded cut this point through all. Okay, it's done. Now you have to select the front plane and reference geometry plane, and you must have to select another plane which is parallel to this plane. So click that point, that's the plane. Click OK. Now control 8, draw a line that connects this to this, complete the triangle. Okay, extrude it. How much? It's 12. Okay, it's done. Now click on this 4 views. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.